Hello and welcome to the Economy Primer series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about unemployment problem ahead of the NDA government. So as you already know that we had done with the election 2024 and this is the 18th Lok Sabha. And in this election season what we have seen that unemployment is the biggest region in which the election has been fought. And so many political parties has raised this question on unemployment, and they had also raised this question against the Modi government that what is the state of unemployment in your era. So that's why this topic is very much important, that how unemployment can be tackled at this point of time. So this session is important for your GS3 perspective. So moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss why this particular topic is into the discussion. Then we'll have a background about this. And then we are going to discuss expand apprenticeship programs. And we are going to discuss coalition, dharma and economic reforms. And after that, we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the why in discussion. So in this, we have taken few cutouts from the newspaper which says that unemployment was the major reason and what you can say the one of the important issues on which election has been fought, and you can see that unemployment was the focal point of discussion for various political parties and also on the mainstream media platforms. So NDA government must tackle unemployment problem, especially in the unorganized sector. Rajiv Kumar. And who is this Rajiv Kumar? So Rajiv Kumar is a former vice chairperson of the think tank Niti Aayog. Unemployment is not a problem. Arvind Pangaria prescription to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ahead of the budget. And then why Indian voters see job creation as the election's biggest issue. Unemployment, inflation impacted election outcome in India, OPEC. So what all these cutout shows us? So it shows that unemployment is the biggest reason. Few people are denying that there is a significant improvement in unemployment rate, but few experts and few researchers shows that unemployment rate is still low and there is a lot to work on unemployment rate of this country. So moving to the next slide. Next slide is about the background. So here we'll have an idea about the current state of unemployment in this country. So despite growing at the fastest major economy, India has become the 5th fastest major economy of the world. Despite growing the fastest growing economy, what we can see that unemployment condition of this country is not very good. And the government is unable to fulfill the required number of jobs. So demand is very much high, but when it comes to the supply of the job, when we come to the creation of the job, which is very low. And also, according to periodic labor force survey data, which shows that unemployment rate, which stood at 3.4% in 2013 and 14, was only marginally lower in the at 3.2% in 2022 to 2023. So in a decade, what it shows that the PLFS data shows that it has just marginally improved, and it's been 10 years. So from 3.4%, we have come to 3.2%, which is not a great result. Here this is a CMI data. So what CMI data shows that? So here we have taken account of almost 8 to 9 years and how we can see that unemployment rate of this country. So first of all, you need to know that what is the unemployment rate. So unemployment rate is the number of individuals who are wanting jobs and the number of the person who are already in jobs. So here there is a year and here the unemployment rate. So this is the latest data of January 2024. This year in 2024 it is 6.57% and 2023 8.003%, 2023 7.33, 5.98. Then in 2028, because of the pandemic, 2019 5.27. So what all these data shows that we were doing here better in 15, 16, 17, 18. But suddenly what we have seen that it rose around 2020 because of the pandemic situation also and because of the many factors. And also here you can say that in 2021 we tried to manage and we come to 5.98%, but suddenly it rose to 7.33. Then it rose a lot to 8.003%. Right now, we have improved from this situation to this situation, but when you will compare 6.57 to 5.44, then this is still higher. So this is the current stance of unemployment rate in the country. Then we come to the next one. Next one is about expand apprenticeship programs. So I had shown you a cutout of Rajiv Kumar. So Rajiv Kumar is a former vice chairperson of the NITI Aayog. So what he says about the unemployment condition of this country, he said that there are lots of problems ahead of this NDA government, and to fulfill all these kind of problems, we have lots of economic challenges, and unemployment is a major economic challenge ahead of this NDA government. So what they need to do this? So he said that we need to focus on the apprentice program, and we have to focus on the skilling of the youth. And our education system is not like that. Along with the education, various skills had been taught. So we need to develop these kind of schooling system, these kind of, there must be, though we have various skills programs, we have various yojana, we have various schemes where there has been an emphasis given to the skilling of the youth, because skilled labor we need. But what we have seen that India is a population which still has a highest number of the unskilled labor. So in that scenario, there should be the promotion of apprentice program, and it should be connected to the education, because in our primary, secondary and higher education also there is a less focus on the vocational training. So in his opinion, there must be the expansion of apprentice program, so that the marginal section will also have this kind of opportunity to get a job. And if you are a skilled worker, then there are high chances that you'll be employed first. So this is the thing, and this is his quote: our apprenticeship program needs a far bigger push than we have now, and access to quality education should be ensured, because ultimately these are the factors which will determine the employability and employment generation potential for our economy. So both these things are needed for the economy. Now we come to the next one. Next one is about the coalition dharma and economic reforms. So as you already know that this government has been formed with the coalition of different political parties. So we have BJP in the coalition, we have LJP in the coalition, we have TDP, we have JDU. So we have HUM also, but majorly it's BJP, TDP and JDU. So all these political parties formed government together. So it has been seen that when it was a coalition government, the economy has done better. It has been record. So that's why it is expected that economy would grow much better, and there will be much focus on the unemployment kind of problem. There will be much focus on the employment generation in the coalition government. The coalition parties must take care about the how unemployment would reduce from the country. So this is the thing, and they said this is the coalition dharma, that they must take care of the unemployment conditions of the country, and they must take care of the employment generation and how to generate employment. So there are different kind of methods that how to generate employment, and right now so many economic experts are also saying that privatization is needed for many sectors, because it will liberate the economy and it will invite more players to invest in the economy. So it is also one of the reason. And along with the privatization, there should be special focus given to the public sector enterprises. Focus should be given, because what we have seen that public sector enterprises are not updated. They are outdated on many contexts. They have lack of technology. They have so many problems. So in this scenario, it's very important that along with the privatization, we must focus on the public sector enterprises. So this is also one of the thing. And then coalition government have been far better in generating economic reforms. So this is the thing. Also, the OPEC had said that this election result, what we have seen, that impact of the inflation and what you can say unemployment, because so many political parties has raised the issue of inflation and unemployment. And because of that, what we have seen that NDA coalition had lagged behind, and especially the current ruling political party BJP was not able to garner the full majority because of the raising of the unemployment issues and also inflation issues. And because of these two economic problems, they had far lagged behind. So this is the official statement of OPEC, and they have said that we are expecting that continuity in the major economic reforms, but they must take care of the inflation and also the rising prices of many products. Now we come to the question part. The question which has been already asked in the UPSC examination: disguised unemployment generally means, and your options are: large number of people remain unemployed, alternative employment is not available, marginal productivity of labor is zero, productivity of workers is low. So you have to answer this into the comment section. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. And the link of this PDF program is available into the description, and Telegram link is also there, so you can find the Telegram channel of this particular program. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.